What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. What's good? What's good? It's Friday morning. Getting started here. Here we go. Fresh Cash Fridays. Taking a look here at MAT Mattel right now. Mattel getting crushed after hours from that 1540 area down there to $11 after their earnings there, and just kind of bouncing around here. $12 area. It's right there at the $13. Has some resistance there at the $13.20 area, it looks like. So kind of watching this $13 area, looking to go short here below $13 if it can get down there. I got a feeling that Mattel probably gonna see some lower lows here. So I got 250 shares there short on MAT Mattel right now at this 315 area. You're going to see if this is going to turn into resistance and turn back below. Get that move back below $13 or back down that $13 area. Look to get some more shares there if we break below $13. So basically going to play MAT Mattel with a stop there at the 325 area for now. 320, 330 area. So looking for this to turn back and head back down there to $13 here. Trying to short into this resistance here on MAT. Only got 250 shares, so smaller size. Trying to play it smart here. If you look at MAT here, Mattel on the 5-minute chart, this thing gapped down there from the 1540 area down there to $12. Bounced around there at $12 now, and having some resistance there. ITUS moving up, moving back down there. I stay away from the football. The football here in Miami. Stay away from it. PLPM, it must be some kind of buyout or something going on there because it's just stuck at that 450 area. It just gapped up from that 385 right up to that 450, and it's not been moving since. So not sure what's going on there with PLPM. There you go, buyout. Yep, PLPM buyout. Like to see MAT here break back below those EMAs and head below $13. You got that support there at the $13 area. We're right between that $13, 326 resistance here on MAT. Looking for this move below $13. You can see this thing sold off down there to $12 area. So we'll see if we can get below that $13 area. There's a little bit of a drop here. Looking for this move lower here. KTOV up 13% so far this morning, up there to that 280 area. So KTOV jumping up there to 280 from the 248 area, holding this 260 area right now. So MAT Mattel pulling back here, finding that resistance there at the 315 area. I'm short right now, 250 shares, smaller size. I'll look to get another 250 shares if we break below that $13 area. That's kind of the game plan right now. Looking here at MAT, I'm short right now, 250 shares. If you're just now tuning in, you're wondering what's he looking at. Looking at here at MAT, looking for this short here to work out. Looking for this break below $13. I'm short right there at 13.14. We had this previous resistance here at the 13.15, 13.26 area. Looks like we're gonna get that move down there to the $13 area. You got that seller sitting there at 13.05 right now. More sellers popping up there at 13.04. Kind of bouncing off $13 area right now. My little thingy is messed up here. Hold on one second. See if I can fix that. Okay, now you should be able to see the P&L. Sorry about that. My camera was over it. So it should be good now. You can see I'm in MAT there. I'm in there at 314. Looking for this move lower. Bouncing off that $13 area. $13 area might be holding here. Huh. So a couple stocks moving around this morning. You got KTOV. What else we got moving around? We got KTOV, You got ITUS. MAT getting really volatile already, just kind of jumping all around here. Looking for this break below $13. $13.05, big seller sitting there. Come on, let's get this break of $13 here on MAT. Let's go, let's do it, let's do it. I'm going to cover there at 13.04. Just kind of bouncing off 13 area too much. I was hoping this is going to just roll off and get right back below $13 area, but kind of holding this resistance right now. The volume, I think maybe I'm just talking lower this morning. Not as excited. So MAT, yeah, if you want to short it right now, go ahead and short it because I just covered. So MAT not doing what I wanted it to do. Was hoping for, we get this test of this resistance area one more time and then get right through that $13 area. But now you can see it's kind of bouncing here. It got down there to $13 and bounced pretty hard. Came back up to $13.15. I just went ahead and covered there just because audio is low. I'm not sure why the audio is low. Turn up your speakers, damn it. Turn up your speakers. Should be pretty much the same. So MAT kind of watching this $13 area. See if we can get this break of $13. If not, this thing looks like it might want to do a little bit of a squeeze here. All right. So let's take a look here. Looking at MNOV. MNOV, it's only got 80,000 shares traded, but it's up 16% this morning so far. All right, we're turning the volume up, baby. We're turning it up. It's Fresh Cash Friday. My neighbors are going to think I got some kind of TV show going on over here. PLPM, anyone's asking about this, it's got a buyout offer coming out on that one. KTOV up 11% this morning from that 247 area up there to 280, pulling back down there to the 260 right now. I got a big buyer there at 250. So keep an eye there. It's only got 136,000 shares traded so far. Another stock, ITUS, got 62,000 shares traded. Not a lot of volume, not a lot of action this morning. Looking back at MAT, Mattel getting crushed. I really think that this is going to go lower at some point today, but maybe it bounces from here. I don't know. So that 1540 area yesterday had earnings. It dropped down there to the $12 area this morning. So far, it's been down there to $12, bouncing off $12 area. So we'll see if Mattel can get below this $13 area right here. Looking for this move higher up to that 1326 area resistance. What else? NEOS. People talking about that one. NEOS. NEOS jumping up this more. Yesterday, right? Yesterday was halted in the morning. Then got some news. They were gonna had a buyout offer at the 1025 area. So NEOS kind of, I think it'll be stuck there at the $10 area if that buyout is real. Oh, JCPenney is getting crushed this morning as well. From the 370 area down there to 270. Keep an eye on this 280 area here on JCPenney here at open. You can see this previous resistance there at 280 area. Mattel. Bad earnings yesterday. Bouncing that $13 area. Mattel, big toy company, had a lot of basically selling all their toys through Toys R Us. Toys R Us is going bankrupt. So Mattel is feeling the heat right now. Overall, look at this chart on the daily chart. Mattel just getting crushed the last couple months, year or so. Basically, beginning of January, beginning of 2017, Mattel going from that $30 area down there to $15. So it's down 50% on the. It's down 50% overall in the year. So you can see every earnings just kind of gapping down, gapping down, gapping down. BONT, been trading this one a couple times this week. It's at that 95-cent area. Yesterday getting up there to that $1.35 area. Well, no, that wasn't yesterday. That was Wednesday. Wednesday, BONT making that big move and then pulling right back down there. Looks like getting a little bit of a move this morning. We're up 31%. Got 300,000 shares traded here on BONT. See if this can get above that dollar area. Yesterday, looks like it jumped up to that dollar area and got stuck. It was like after hours? When was that? Like right at close yesterday. BONT making a weird move there. Up there to that dollar area and then pulling right back down there. I think it was like after hours. No, it was like right before close there. BONT making a jump up there to the dollar area. Pulling back down there to the 68-cent area. Interesting. Interesting. Just kind of going back over what I've already looked at this morning. MNOV. This one's moving around. It's up 16% right now. It's only got 82,000 shares traded. Definitely look for more volume before trading that. KTOV, kind of the same story. Look at this one yesterday, making a big move from the $2 area up there to $2.95 at the end of the day there, and then pulling right back down there. So KTOV, big spike in volume out of nowhere. Get this big spike on the 5-minute chart. We got 800,000 shares traded all of a sudden out of nowhere, big spike, and then just comes on back down. JCPenney there at that 270 area, and then ITUS jumping up 16%. So it might be one of those slow days. Yesterday was kind of a weird day. There was actually a lot of action more in the end of the day. I feel like, what was it? OPNT yesterday made a big move. OPNT. Yeah, so OPNT yesterday, what was it? Towards the end of the day there, MPOT jumped up from the $33 area, jumped up there to $48, and then pulled back down to the $40 area. So big move here on OPNT at the end of the day yesterday. Not a lot of volume there, but still making a big move out of nowhere. $33 to $48, and then pulling back down there to $40. Hey, if the FDA won't approve your drug, just sue them. Sue them to approve your drug. That's a good game plan, actually. So as of right now, small cap wise, I mean, maybe watching ITUS, there's just not much volume there. Not a lot of volume overall in the small caps. Looking at all these stocks that are moving around, just not having the volume to go anywhere. I'm not in love with it. So BONT getting 300,000 shares traded. It's up to that dollar area. We'll see if this one wants to get above that dollar area. Maybe we get above $1 and make a nice little move. This thing gets really volatile, though. You got to be careful if you're going to trade this BONT. Some big jump up, some big crashes. You don't want to get stuck in that crash there, guys. So stay alert, stay vigilant. Take that profit when you got it. BONT making that move up higher. Getting some more shares traded there. MAT looking for that break. Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Look at that drop right down there to the 1280 area. Down to that 20 EMA. MAT getting down there below $13. But getting right back up there. So we'll see if this $13 turns into a resistance here. I was short there at 314. Ended up covering here at 304. Getting that 10-cent move there. And now we're back up that $13 area. Looks like we're going to head lower here. I'll wait for open. We got about 10 minutes till market open. I'll wait for open to see if MAT can make a bit of a spike higher here and then look to sell off at that point. Looks like we're getting some nice resistance there at the $13 area. Not getting any 13s printing anymore. Only $12.99, $12.98 printing there. Let's see if this $13 area turns into some nice resistance here. Got about 9 minutes till market open here. And we're sitting right there at 13. Nothing above it yet. It's the 5-minute chart. Looking at the 1-minute chart here. Getting stuck at $13. Getting a little bit of a gap. Getting a little bit of a spread here on MAT. Getting a bit of a spread. Getting some more volume coming in there. I got 3 million shares traded so far. See if this $13 area holds as resistance here. Looks like it's going to hold. So MAT down there to $12.92 now. Breaking through that $13 area real quick, real hard there. Just like I was expecting, but it took a little bit longer than I wanted it to. Was hoping to get this, basically get this one last spike up here to the resistance area and then just pull on through that $13 area down there to that $12.80. You can see this previous area here at the $12.82 area, which kind of bouncing there right now. We pulled down there to $12.82, and now we're holding that $12.90. Got about a 5-6 cent spread here right now on MAT. So keep an eye on this one at open. We'll see if we get a bit of a spike here for that move higher. SRAX coming down here. Down 14% so far this morning. Got 200,000 shares traded. Previous runner, previous gapper. Hit that play button, baby. Hit that play ad, play ad, play ad. Make that money. So just kind of recapping one more time here, looking at what we're looking at today. BONT up to that 99-cent area right now, up to that dollar area. Keep an eye here on BONT above $1. Want to see this get above $1, then turn that dollar area into support. That would be the way to play it. MAT kind of holding that $12.92 area, $12.93 right there, stepping up there, buyer. KTOV gapping up, it's coming back down now. That was the end of the day yesterday. KTOV made a big pop. PLPM has a buyout offering, so you're not going to see this thing really move much. It's just going to be there at that 445, 450 area, wherever that buyout's at. If you're wondering why PLP is up 17% on the day and it's not moving anymore. JC Penney down there to the 274 area. A couple stocks this morning kind of watching here at open to see if they can get some bit of a move at open. And then look to go short if they can find some resistance there. So JC Penney, MAT, both having bad earnings. Watching these two stocks closely here at open for a short opportunity. ITUS, 82,000 shares traded. Not a ton of volume, but a little bit of volume there. We got to turn the volume up before hitting that stock. But we'll see what happens. It's Friday. Might be kind of a slow day. You never know. The overall market's just been kind of killing it lately. Got the earnings. All these big stocks are just going higher. So a lot of the traders are just trading the big caps right now. You got Amazon. Look at Amazon right now. It's up 9%, which is crazy for this stock. I mean, that's an $88 move from the 970 area. It's up there to $1,000 and 60 up to what, 1,060? How do you even say that? $1,000 60, 1,060, $1,060, $1,060. It's hard to even talk about a stock that's above $1,000. It seems like a weird thing to even think about a stock that's above $1,000. But you can see AMZ in Amazon getting that pop yesterday. Big earnings here, up from that 970 area up there to 1,060 now. So crazy move here. A lot of these earnings just getting blown out of the water. There was a 3% growth for the GDP this quarter, so that everyone's happy. The market overall is probably going to be rallying today on that. So back-to-back beats on the overall GDP. Got a 3% growth back-to-back. They're happy with that. And I got about 5 minutes till market open here. Taking a look at a couple different stocks that are moving. What else is moving? What else is popping around? I think Facebook's kind of moving around. Facebook's up 2% on the day right now. MAT down there to 1288 now. Oh, man. I needed some more patience here with this one. Talk to you later, Hitesh. I'll talk to all you guys later, actually, because it's 9:26. I'm going to get set up here for the market open. I will talk to you guys later. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it. It's right there in the corner of the video. Help me help you. You're not going to hurt yourself by subscribing. I promise you. I promise you that. Just do me one big favor and hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on. Okay.